Hey babes, welcome back to the channel. So I'm back today with a new video, and in today's video I'm featuring YWigs. Big thank you to YWigs for sponsoring today's video. Now let's get into this look. So today I'm currently rocking this Miracle Knots hack style with crochet hair from YWigs. These are the crochet bundles. I have two colors which I will be mixing in. Once I started this video, I wasn't sure how I was going to mix these in, but you'll see in a little bit. I have color number 1 and color number 4, which is a nice chocolate brown. I went back and forth with like maybe doing like an ombre. Ended up going for like a highlight look. So here I'm just putting some leave-in conditioner on my hair, which I pre-plait before the video. This is just to add some moisture to my hair because it was on the dry side. I did have like some other product in here, but these are my braids and that is the size that I decided to go with. So for this hack, I do this a little different. I start my feeding at the base and I take one piece of crochet hair, pull it through, and I loop it one time. So for each braid, I'm going for 4 pieces. I do have 4 bundles of the chocolate brown. So I'm going to use most of the brown and then I'll start to feed in the black as I get to the top because this is more of a brown color and the black is going to be the highlight. So for each braid, it's the same process. I take the crochet needle, I push it through and I attach the hair, pull it and loop it. I loop it one time. I keep emphasizing this because I get a lot of questions on the takedown. How I ensure that the takedown is as simple and painless for me is looping it one time. To each his own. If you want to loop it more than once, you can. Just know that the takedown process will be different. And I also have a video showing you how I take down my Miracle Knot braids. I'm just showing you the technique. The technique does not change depending on how long you've had the hairstyle in. It is literally the same technique. So I will attach that video at the end of this one. And I just wanted to point that out because I do get a lot of questions on those two things. The brown color is so pretty. Like, honestly, I could have went without the black, but I think the black adds a nice touch. So the last time I did crochet Miracle Knots with YWigs, we did a water wave texture, which was so pretty. That hair is absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to link that video so that it pops up right here. But today we are working with the body wave. And what's really nice about this is you're able to manipulate this hair to achieve so many different looks. You can actually do the same with your water wave texture, but water wave is such a pretty texture. I would not want to straighten it. But this, as you can see from the intro, I was able to flat iron this hair. So I'll show you what this looks like in a straight look. And I was able to curl this hair so you can wear it just how you would your bundles. Now, for the hair itself, it didn't take much heat to get it to straighten either because this is a body wave texture. So for the most part, it was like one pass and it was a really nice polished look. So I'm just going to go ahead and continue to feed in the brown, and I'm going to pop up in a little bit to point something else out. Okay, so now we've made it a little further to the back of my hair, and these are still, I'm doing the same thing. It's 4 pieces per braid, but I do want to show you something a little different. So at the end of the braid, you can finish off your braid in a few different ways. You can finish it with just the regular Miracle Knot hack, but for a few braids, I wanted to show you that after I loop it through, I braid it down. So if you want, you can do this for each and every braid. which will give you more of a seamless look. You don't have to worry about your natural hair peeking through because the crochet hair is braided down. So that's just something that I wanted to point out. That's something that I did not do in the last install, but the last install was a curlier texture, so it was more forgiving. But if you're going for a looser texture like the body wave or even straight, I would suggest that method of braiding the end of your hair with that crochet miracle knot. So I'm going to continue to feed these in, and then as we move along to the top and the other side, that's when I will pop in that black color. So I will pop back in just a few. So I'm back and I'm showing you the progress. This hair is so pretty. Look how good this looks flipped over. So now we're getting to the top. I just started to add in the black just to get an idea of how I wanted to place it. And I didn't do too much. So I did have a total of 6 bundles of hair. I believe I had 4 brown and 2 black, and I used just about everything. I had very little. I think I had half of a black bundle left. So this hair is very, very full, and with this method, using this much hair, it gives the illusion of like a weave or half braids, half sew-in, so you don't see too much of the braids even when you straighten the hair. But if you're someone that does not want that look and you do want to go for more of like a braided look, you can use less hair. Also, this hair is in 20 inches, but you have the option to get different lengths because they offer a variety of lengths. So everything you need will be linked in the description box. So be sure to check the description box for all details. It'll take you right to YWigs website so you can filter through the different textures, colors, and lengths. So now as we are here at the top, there are a few braids where I added 5 pieces instead of 4 just because this is the top of my head and I wanted to give that illusion of full hair. So if you do see me feed in more than 4 pieces, that is something that I did at the top of the install. So this is what she looks like. I am obsessed with this look. This is gorgeous. Just giving you a angle from the back because it is literally the same method that I use all over. I do have a 3-way mirror linked in my description box in case you are interested. You can basically set this up on a door, on a wall, your desk, and this gives you the ability to see your head from every angle. So this is the finished look, and honestly, I love it the most in this texture. It is absolutely gorgeous. This body wave texture is fire. Like, look how full and pretty that looks. So here I'm just using some edge control. I'm not doing too much, but I'm just swooping those little bit of edges that are out to give more of a polished look. And then once I play with this a little bit, we're going to pop out the flat iron and show you how well this hair straightens. Another thing I want to mention is that this is feather crochet hair, so it is very lightweight and this hair is reusable. This is 100% human hair. That's how I am able to put heat on this and style this in so many different ways and still be able to reuse this hair. So that is the first piece that I tested off camera. And here I'm showing you, I'm just pulling my crochet pieces out because I didn't want to pass the flat iron over my natural hair. I mean, if you don't care, you can, but I'm really trying to refrain from heat. So I did go in and pull my crochet miracle knot pieces out, and that's how I flat iron my hair. And look how good that looks. Not to mention, once I flat ironed it, my 20 inches went to like 24. So I was loving that. So I'm just going to continue to pass the flat iron through and then show you what this hair looks like completely straightened. And I did not put any product in this hair to flat iron the hair. This is what this looks like, and I'm showing you, I'm just repassing the flat iron over the ends because I didn't use any product, like any heat protectant, any serum. I didn't want it to be greasy, but this is what it looks like, and I love it. I have to say the body wave is my favorite. I love that look. That look is undefeated, but the straight eats down too, because look at this. And the little peekaboo with the black and the chocolate brown is gorgeous. It's like a subtle hint of color. So now I am using my favorite curling iron in the world because this never disappoints, and I'm throwing some waves in here just to show you that there are so many different things you can do to this hair with it being 100% human hair. I didn't add any hairspray because, as I stated, I didn't want this to be greasy. I will be reusing this hair, but that is really it. I am loving this look. Let me know what you guys think about this texture and this color, and are you feeling the Miracle Knots hack? All details and links will be down below in the description box. Shout out to YWigs for sponsoring another video, and I will see you beauties in the next one. Bye.